Most people think that once you view a Snapchat, it's gone forever. But that's not the case. You can actually reopen Snapchats that you've already viewed. In this video, I will show you how to do just that. So whether you accidentally closed a Snapchat before you were done viewing it, or if you want to take another look at a Snapchat from earlier, this video will show you how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat app, and then let's go over to the Chats tab. So for the purpose of this video, let's open up this Snap. And let's close this. So now, in order to view it again, tap on the conversation. And you will see a button that says, Hold to replay. So go ahead and tap and hold that. And now you can tap on this to view the snap once again. Keep in mind that after doing this, you cannot view it again. So basically, you can only view a snap twice, once when you first receive it and again when you replay it. So after you replay the snap, you won't be able to view it one more time. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.